God fucking. Illustration I'll be showing you on how to perform various programs on basic programming. Alright, so now this is your icon, this is the folder, or this is your dashboard, as the case may be. Here we have file, you have file, that file, new or open the one you saved, just like the way Microsoft Word is. You have your edits, view, search, run, debug to get errors, is etc. So but for the purpose of this class, we already have one problem. Taking the very first problem, you know, when we did the theory part of the teaching, we talked about addition of two numbers. So for now, we're going to see how addition of numbers is done. I know the very first thing I told you, I said you have to include your line number. Now for your line number, I'm making use of 10. Remember what I told you about what line numbers are? That line numbers, they are numbers that identify a particular set of code instructions. So the very first thing is your clear. Now clear, like I told you, it tells the compiler that you are starting a new program. You press enter. 20. Your rem, I told you rem is an unexecutable statement. Now what are we doing? Program to add two numbers. Program to add two numbers. Enter, which is the next one. 30. Next is your input. Remember I told you, I said using a perfect program structure, you must make use of the IPO, that is input processing and output. So for input, you have input followed by a quotation. What are you inputting to add two numbers? You have to include the first number. So you have enter value for first number. Now what value are we entering? You can call it any variable name. It follows by a semicolon, then you call it any variable name. I'm giving my own as A. I press enter, take 40. Now you're also imputing the next variable name, which is enter value for second number. Close your quotation, semicolon, and B. Then 50 is where you now perform the processing, and the sum we are doing, which is sum is equals to A plus B. Then 60, you print sum, print open quotation, sum is equal to close quotation, your semicolon, sorry for this, semicolon, sum, and 70 you end the program. Now to run this program, to see what we've done, you click on F5 from your keyboard. So F5, as you can see, what you have there, enter value for first number. So let's say we say 70 is our first number. You press enter. The next one, as told you, enter value for second number. Let's take second number to be 30, and you can see it, sum equal to 100. And that's how it is. It's very easy. You can do it likewise with when they say subtraction of two numbers and all of that. But let's take another example. Let's take another example. Clear. You have clear. Sorry. Let's start something new. Sorry. Clear. Save this as Y. So let's start something new. Now program to find the area of a square of a rectangle. You can use square, but let's say area of a rectangle. So clear, as we did the other one, 20 rem. Program to find the area of a rectangle. So 30. You have your input. So mind you, what's the formula? Formula is length times breadth. So first is enter value for length, close, semicolon, length 40. Input, quotation, enter value for breadth, semicolon, and breadth. And breadth 50 is where the area is. Area is equal to length times breadth. 60 print. Area is equal to close quotation area. Then 70, line 17, end. So with this, you come here and click your F5. You can see say enter value for length, say 6, enter value for breadth, say 5, and the answer is 30. So that's how it is done. So thank you very much. If you have any further questions, you can always ask me. See you in our next class. Thank you and have a blessed